Concerns are being raised by innovators in Uganda about the theft of their intellectual property, particularly in schools and technology exhibitions. They are requesting that the government strengthens protections for intellectual property rights. At Kabale University, frustration is boiling over. Student innovators say their creations are being hijacked before they even get to patent them. Blair Ukuba, the director, Thoraxa Technologies, is one of the many calling for urgent reforms. Young tech minds say a lack of legal knowledge and resources is leaving them exposed.
Our projects are stolen.
Have you experienced
some? Me personally, I'm a victim of that. Some institutions or companies call up for exhibitions, hackathons, or competitions, take up our projects, take our documentations, and in the end we see our projects being showcased somewhere else without our knowledge. So our ideas are being taken, our projects are being taken up, and we are just losing out.
So among the challenges that students are facing I have noticed during my time of leadership, the young innovators are not exposed to the kind of structures that the government is having. We have had this workshop, but I have not satisfied with what they have given us because they have not laid to us to a table what exactly the government has put on, especially the grassroots structures, to help these young innovators, specifically in institutions like the universities, because almost all knowledge is generated from these universities, especially when they are exposed to the kind of to certain institutional facilities that they have provided. These students are usually exposed and they come up with certain innovations which are not furthered. Apparently these innovations are not given attention because there are no structures or avenues where they can go to address these concerns so that maybe they can be helped to develop them. I think there is a loophole there which maybe government should address.
Even the university is taking precautions. Deputy Vice Chancellor Johnny Mugisha says some projects are no longer showcased out of fear they will be stolen.
Yeah, we have fears that every innovation actually, by its name an innovation, is prone to being stolen, because an innovation is a unique idea which comes from the deep thinking of somebody's brain, and it's only unique to the innovator, and being an innovation, it has value. It can result into a commercialized or a commercializable product, and therefore it is highly prone to being stolen, and that's when the issue of intellectual property comes in, and the issue of registration of the innovation. We have had cases where innovation from our researchers, our students here at Kabale University have been, I don't want to use the word stolen, but have been taken up by other secondary innovators to the loss of the primary innovators.
The new ICT IP guidelines launched in February aim to tackle these issues head-on. They offer tools to protect, develop and commercialize homegrown tech.
Property is a key aspect of innovation. It's a key aspect of entrepreneurship. And we believe that as young people come up with new ideas, as young people think of initiatives, they should safeguard these ideas and put their names to them so that they can benefit more from them. So IP basically helps them safely disseminate their ideas, so that if they are getting into investment conversations, if they are getting into partnership conversations, your initial idea is not given away.
Japan, through JICA, is backing the effort, even exploring job opportunities for Ugandan engineers in Japan.
So my project is focusing on the ICT, and now so we are doing the TOT, the training of trainers, to the UICT lecturers. But curriculum is the ICT sector, which means such as AI, cybersecurity, the data center, data cloud, web application or software application.
This call for action comes just one day ahead of the World Intellectual Property Day, a time to celebrate creators and protect the idea shaping our future. World Intellectual Property Day offers a unique opportunity to join with others around the globe to consider how intellectual property, IP, helps in the global arts scene to flourish and enable the technological innovations that drives human progress. The campaign is also an opportunity to highlight the role that IP rights such as patents, trademarks, industrial designs, copyright play in encouraging innovation and creativity.